Good morning, children. Today is 16th July and we are continuing with HCF. HCF, highest common factor. As I told you in the previous session, HCF we can find out by two methods, that are by finding all the factors and by prime factorization method. Okay? So in the previous session, I have explained you about finding all the factors, and I think you people understood this method very well. Now we will move on the second method, that is by finding prime factorization. So here I will give two examples of your exercise 3.2. Then I will explain you how to do this. So first you have to understand how to find prime factorization. You remember in my previous session I taught you how to find the prime factors of the number? Yes. We will start dividing a number from smallest prime number first, and then we will go forward till it will be fully divisible. In the last, when we will get 1, there our method will end. So let's start. Here is the question number 1 of exercise 3.2b, that is 49 and 77. So first I find out all the factors, prime factors of 49. 49 is not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. It is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Then 49 divided, 7 divided by 7, I get 1. So here I got 1 in the last. Prime factors of 49 are 7 multiplied by 7. Prime factors of 77. So 77 is also divisible by 7 itself. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. 11 sevens are 77. Now 11 is a prime number. 11 is divisible by itself. I got 1 over here. So the prime numbers, prime factors of 77 are 7 and 11. So this is the method to write the numbers, that is 7 and multiply by 11. Because by multiplying these two prime factors, I got this number. And you can see all these numbers are prime numbers. That's why this method is called prime factorization method. Now here we will find out the common factors. Here the common factors, first we have to find out the common factors. Now in this method we have to multiply all the factors, because here we have find out the prime factors of the given number. Because we have not taken all the factors, that's why we will not choose the highest number. We will actually choose the common factors and then we will multiply them. So here the common is 7 in both of them. So I will take 7 only, because only 7 is common over here. So that's why HCF is also 7. So we can say the HCF of 49 and 77 is 7. Now I will take another example. Exercise 3.2 C. Question number we will take 5. So the numbers are 108, 144 and 60. So by prime factorization method, we have to find its HCF. So let's find out the prime factors. First of all, prime factors of 108. So I will start dividing it by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now I will divide 27 by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these all are the factors of 108. So I can write over here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So these all are the factors of 108. Now 144. So 2 sevens are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 36 2s are 72. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 18 twos are 36, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Here I got all the prime factors of 144. So I'll write them here. 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. 4 times 2, 2 times 3. 4 times 2, 2 times 3. Now the last number is 60. So here I'll find out the prime factors of 60. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 for 15 twos are 30. 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5. These all are the prime factors of 60. That is 2. Multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 5. Clear, children? Now here we will find out the common factors. Now what all are the common factors? 2 is common. This 2 is common. So 2 multiply by 2. Here you can see 2 is here but 2 is not there in other two numbers. 1, 3, 3, 3 is common. So I will take 3 also. Rest of the numbers are not common. That's why I will not take them here. These all are the common factors. Now to find out the HCF, I will multiply all these common factors. Children, please don't get confused. In the previous session, I have explained to you about finding all the factors. Where in that method we were finding all the factors and then we were finding out the highest common factor. हमने क्या किया था, सारे फैक्टर्स निकाले थे और उन फैक्टर्स में से कॉमन फैक्टर निकाल के देन हम लोगों ने हाईएस्ट कॉमन नंबर फाइंड आउट किया था. यहाँ हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाल रहे हैं, इसलिए ये हमारे सारे प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. यहाँ हमने कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाल के फिर उनको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. That will be our highest common factor. Okay. So 2 twos are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So we can say here the HCF of 108, 144 and 60 is 12. So I think children, this prime factorization method is much clear to you. Try to practice all the questions and do these two questions what I explained you in your classwork notebook. Thank you so much, children.